What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied, and for my last time I'm going to go over similar product. Like I said, these are stocking stuffers. Put these in the stockings of your mom, your dad, or whoever is in DIY. Even on the back here it says tool gift for men and women. It says it right there. Okay, this one is called the East Pin. At least that's what it says right here. This one is called the East Pin, and it says a great tool for the job. A magnet wristband, and it comes in different colors: black, blue, yellow. So here we have a blue one. I don't even remember ordering a blue one, but
what did you order?
I thought it was black, but it's cool. All right, so let's check this out. Well, you have a Velcro right here. You want to try?
Yeah.
All right, so we put it on your wrist. Oh, you right-handed.
Yeah.
So you want to get your tools with your right hand. You want your tools on your left hand. So you put the wrist band on here.
Just do.
All right, so what this do is it holds your tools for you while you're doing work.
Right here.
Okay, viewers, so you're about to check this out. We have our bit and our extension. That's pretty cool. We have another bit.
So you can put as many as you want on here?
I don't think as many as you want, but as many as you can. Okay, so we got two bits together. Oops, sorry.
That's right.
All right, we got two bits. We'll leave them separate for right now. All right, if he wants to drill a hole in the wall, we got a drill bit right there. We got another inch bit right here. Show the crowd. All right. So that's good with those. How did you like that?
It was pretty cool.
Okay. So let's see.
Can it hold a hammer?
That's the question. Can this hold a hammer?
Yes.
Yes. If you wobble too much, it will fall. But if you need to hold this hammer, let's say you laying down, or you doing something on the ground, it will stay put.
At least if it's on the metal part.
Let's see.
The magnetic part.
No. All right, so this don't hold a hammer. It kind of hold a hammer, but not as strong as the first magnet I showed y'all in the other review I did. This is good for mechanics. This is good for DIYers. Contractors could use this. Anybody who's in the field of any type of construction or hands-on work can use this product. And that's about it. Powerful magnet. Please, if you like this review, leave a like. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be updated on any other cool product. And don't forget to subscribe.